Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get a W-2 in Paylocity. So if you need your W-2 for tax filing, then just follow along. First, open the Paylocity app or visit the Paylocity website and sign into your employee account. Then from the dashboard, open the pay or tax firm selection, depending on your company setup. Now, from there, look for W-2 forms and select the tax year you need. Your W-2 should open as a PDF that you can view, download, or print. If you don't see your W-2, make sure it's available for the tax year and that your employer has released it. And if it's still missing, you need to contact your payroll or HR department for assistance. So that was how to get a W-2 in Paylocity. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.